Welcome to this video where I'm going to introduce you to ChatGPT, an artificial intelligence-based chatbot that uses the GPT 3.5 architecture, developed by OpenAI. ChatGPT is different from other chatbots in the sense that it can understand natural language and can provide accurate and relevant responses to users. It has been trained on a vast amount of data and can recognize the context of a conversation, making it easier for users to interact with. One common use case for ChatGPT is in customer service. Many businesses use ChatGPT to answer common customer questions, such as product information, pricing, and shipping details. ChatGPT can provide customers with quick and accurate responses, freeing up human customer service representatives to handle more complex inquiries. Another use case for ChatGPT is in education. ChatGPT can be used to answer student questions and provide additional resources, such as links to relevant articles or videos. This can help students learn at their own pace and can alleviate some of the burden on teachers who may be overwhelmed with questions from their students. ChatGPT can also be used as a personal assistant. It can help users schedule appointments, set reminders, and even make suggestions based on a user's preferences. For example, if a user is looking for a new restaurant to try, ChatGPT can provide recommendations based on the user's location and culinary preferences. Finally, ChatGPT can be used for entertainment purposes. It can tell jokes, play games, and even engage in casual conversation with users. This can be a fun way for users to pass the time and can provide a sense of companionship, especially for those who may feel isolated or lonely. Overall, ChatGPT is an incredibly versatile and efficient chatbot that can assist you in various tasks. So, whether you're looking for an assistant, a friend, or just someone to chat with, ChatGPT is the perfect option for you. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video informative.